Hi Harish, good evening.
Hi Vasan, good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So why don't we start with your introduction?
Yeah, sure. My
Yeah.
name is Harish. I am from final year mechanical engineering from SASTRA University,
Mm-hmm.
and my hometown is Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Okay. So what are you doing currently?
I'm currently placed in TVS Motors,
Mm-hmm.
and the role is manufacturing role. I am selected as a graduate engineer trainee.
Okay.
Uh, in manufacturing, there are three roles, and one of the
Mm-hmm.
role will be given to me.
Okay.
The operations, production, and the other one is research.
Okay. So after you have been given this GET graduate engineer trainee role, that is the other three roles are internal. So you
Yeah.
will be allotted to one of those roles after
Yes.
some time.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, please continue. You're describing something.
First of all, the basic cutoff for the examination in TVS or any other core companies will be 8 CGPA. So
Okay.
we must maintain at least 8 CGPA or above according to the situations, and we must be in the top 50 from our department so that
Okay.
we will be eligible for writing the core company exams.
Okay. Okay.
And from our college, around 50 members have selected for the examination.
Okay. They were eligible. Around only
Yeah,
50
50
members
members
were
are eligible.
eligible to take the first
Yeah.
round.
Yes.
Okay.
And here the examination has conducted of 55 questions. In
Okay.
that 25 questions from aptitude and 30
Mm-hmm.
questions from core mechanical.
Okay.
In the 25 questions, so many questions are from data interpretation, like
Okay.
pie charts, graphs, and from
Mm-hmm.
passage questions.
Okay.
And it is of high depth,
Okay.
and we should be concentrating more on aptitude also,
Okay.
and remaining 30 questions from core.
Okay.
And as our role is from mechanic manufacturing role and more concentrated on solid mechanics, manufacturing, and resource management, industrial management, operation research, these topics are highly concentrated in the examinations, and we
Okay.
need to prepare accordingly so that we'll qualify in the examination.
Okay. So, was there any time limit for this round?
Yeah, 55 questions must be answered in 1 hour.
Okay. So, is it like that? If you answer the quantitative section and then only will you be able to move to the core
Yeah,
section?
first the quantity section will be opened, and after that, for quantitative, it will they will give around 25 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
Automatically, it will jump to core section.
Okay. Whether you submit or not, it will
Yeah,
automatically switch to
it
your
will
core
automatically.
questions.
Yes.
Okay. So, how would you rate the toughness of your first
Yeah,
round?
exam is moderate to high only. Why?
Okay.
Because they will filter more candidates in this round.
Okay. So, do you know any stats on how many qualified the first round?
In first round, only 8 members selected out of 50 students from our department.
Oh, that's very nice. You're one of them.
Yes.
Okay.
For our 8 students, interview was conducted.
Okay. After the first round, these eight students were uh, passed to the
Eligible
interview.
for the interview.
Okay. So, how did the interview go?
Yeah, interview was around 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay.
In that 45 minutes, there are four panelists. Three
Mm-hmm.
of them are TRs, and one is of HR.
Okay.
The tiers are consisting of each one is very highly educated in their own fields,
Mm-hmm.
and one guy is from industrial management, and one guy is from manufacturing, and another one is from design.
Okay.
They are asking questions in their particular field, whether we are
Okay.
answering or not.
Okay. So, depending on which field they come from, they are questioning you
Asking
on.
those questions,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Mm,
So,
and the HR will be starting. He will introduce ourselves to the faculty members or TRs,
mm-hmm.
and from them the questions will be starting.
Mm-hmm.
And from as my role is from mechanical manufacturing, they are mainly concentrated on production planning control, resource management, and our welding. and this all they have concentrated more.
Okay, these were the topics of importance.
Yes,
Okay.
and apart from these, they have mainly concentrated on department electives,
Mm-hmm.
which, which we have learned from our second year onwards.
Okay. Can you describe them in particular?
Yeah, like soil mechanics, we need to learn from the basic onwards, the beams
Okay.
and other parts. And from manufacturing role, we need to morely concentrate on cutting tools and welding technology and
Mm-hmm.
additive manufacturing and these topics.
Mm-hmm.
And from design also, we need to concentrate more, and thermodynamics, heat transfer also we need to we need to answer some basic questions on that also if they were asked.
Okay. So, were there any HR questions asked in your interview?
Yeah, some of the questions were asked in HR also, like where do you see yourself in 5 years,
Mm-hmm.
and how you are expecting your role in our company,
Mm-hmm.
and how you are managing to do this, and how you are want to serve our company a better position,
Mm-hmm.
and like that. Some basic questions also asked, and they are asked our strengths, weakness, and what is our
Okay.
role in our project, and some other questions
Okay.
like that.
Okay. So, you were even questioned on your resume.
Yeah, most part is on resume also. Why? Because we have done two internships, and they are morely concentrating on our internships, projects, and what is our role in that particular area.
Okay.
And
Okay.
doing an internship is also added advantage to us, because as we are going to a core company, we need to work there.
Okay.
So
They
we need to
will.
understand the things.
Okay. They'll test your knowledge prior to offering your
Yeah.
role.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you remember any questions on the technical side that you feel are important?
Yeah, according to me, they ask her some manufacturing questions, and which must everyone should learn. Like from welding, which type of welding is more beneficial according to the plate they are using, and types of welding and other things in design, the CNC machines and types,
Okay.
and from resource management, the critical time and
Mm-hmm.
least start time, and these some simple definitions also.
Mm-hmm.
And from quality department, they have asked the types of NDT techniques,
Mm-hmm.
means non-destructive techniques,
Okay.
and how they will be used in our company. Means I have in internships we have learned this quality assurance and prefabrication department.
Mm-hmm.
So they have morely concentrated on which techniques we have used there, like
Okay.
radiography techniques and
Mm-hmm.
magnetic testing, and these all they have concentrated more.
Okay. So they are questioning you on numerous topics, not
Yes.
particularly in one field.
Yeah.
Okay. So
And
those are
they have morely asked on design softwares which you have learned in your
in
department relatives or in your domain.
okay. So
And
did they give emphasis on any particular software that they would
means
require?
they need our manufacturing role. So our elective is design for manufacturing.
Mm-hmm.
In design for manufacturing, there will be two design softwares,
Mm-hmm.
DFA and DFM.
Okay.
Design for assembly guidelines and design for manufacturing. In
Mm-hmm.
that, the computer itself will be defining the tool which we need to use and which material we need to use, and everything it
Okay.
will be helping us to understand. Those
Mm-hmm.
software also we need to learn.
Okay. Okay. So was there any preparation strategy that you followed to crack this interview and exam?
Yeah, the main thing is I have prepared for gate.
Okay.
So I have to coaching also, and that coaching
Mm-hmm.
was helped me better to crack in this examination.
Mm-hmm.
And other things is from second year onwards, we need to concentrate on core subjects, as because we are aiming for a core company.
Mm-hmm.
Every semester is need necessary to crack any core company examinations or any other things.
Mm-hmm.
So every semester we need to have a basic idea on which topic we have learned and which we need to undergo.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So can you describe any topics that you feel important other than data interpretation for the quants?
For quantitative, we need to concentrate on some basic mathematics. Also, we need to concentrate there.
Okay.
And apart from that, some English questions also very important.
Okay. Language questions.
Language questions, and they will
Okay.
ask some passages, and from the passage they will ask 3 to 4 questions,
Okay.
and some meanings means synonyms, antonyms also they have asked,
Okay.
and more on basic aptitude and time related problems, and
Time and work.
LCM, yeah, LCM and HCF and direction problems, and family relations problems, and these all
Mm-hmm.
will be appearing in apt section.
In those 25 questions, right?
Yeah, in the 25 questions.
Okay. So, what would you suggest on this technical side? As you were saying, all core subjects were important, but
Yes.
in particular, what are the top three subjects that you emphasize on?
Yeah, I will suggest you the most important subject is manufacturing technology. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because TVS Motors is mainly rely on manufacturing role. They will ask more questions in manufacturing side.
Okay.
So we need to concentrate on manufacturing, and apart from that, we need to concentrate on from design aspects roles.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to learn some design for power transmission and design for machine elements, and this course also we need to be have some idea.
Okay. So, as you are a senior and have gone past this interview, if you are given a chance, how would you go through this exam once again, and how would you better yourselves at performing this?
Yeah, if I have given a chance again, I will concentrate more on basic topics again and again, and I will go through the formula again so that it will be better before the examination, so we can
You could
easily
save some
revise
time.
everything.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
could do more faster.
it will save some time.
Okay.
Why? Because competition is very high, and they are filtering so many candidates in the examination round.
Yes. So, are there any general suggestions that you would like to draw?
Yeah, I will morely say like everyone must have minimum of 8 CGPA, because
Yeah.
as if we are given a chance to write the examination, we need to do it. So for at least if we have 8 CGPA, they will give a chance to attempt the exam. So we can
Yes.
try our best to attempt the exam. If we are having less than 8 CGPA, then no use of
Preparing all
having,
this.
yeah, no need to
Okay.
they will not ask us to appear for the exam also.
Yeah, yeah. You won't be eligible for the exam right from the start.
Yeah, 8 CGPA must be there.
Yes. Okay, Harish. I think before choosing this company, you would have done your research about the company, whether to join or not.
Yes, yes.
So, did you? What was your preference? You have finally accepted it, but can you say some points on why you chose to accept?
Yes, TVS Motors is a very good company, and it is a very good to start as a fresher.
Mm-hmm.
As we are freshers, we need to start in a good company so that our career will be growing. And
Okay.
TVS is one of the third biggest company in automobiles from India. So if we join in this company, we'll learn better skills, knowledge, and we'll have high skills here, and so that we can improve ourselves.
Okay. So we forgot to mention about the CTC and bond, if there is any.
Yeah, CTs is around 8 lakhs.
Okay.
It's of including of PF, gratuity, everything was included here.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
And the bond is of 3 years bond.
Okay.
If we want to break a bond in between these 3 years, we need to pay 3 lakhs to them.
Okay. Okay. Then also this graduate engineer trainee, as you said, this will
Yeah.
continue for how long?
Yeah, this is only for 1 year. The first
Okay.
year itself will be a training totally,
Okay.
and they will train us on where we need to work and everything. They will guide us in this first year,
Okay.
and after this first year, they will promote us to senior engineer role or some other thing.
In your respective domain, and
Yeah.
then you will continue.
Yes.
Okay, Harish. To summarize, you would emphasis on all the core subjects right from the second year, and
Yes.
also not to miss on quantitative and reasoning along with vocabulary. and English grammar, etc.
Yes.
Okay, so communication is also an important part during the
Yes,
interview.
very important.
Yes.
Yes. In the interview, out with there are four panelists, so we need to communicate in the such a way that the four members should be pleased.
Okay.
If any one guy is not pleased with our interview performance, they will degrade ourselves. They will degrade us, and it will affect
Okay.
our interview round.
Okay. 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 So that was very nice, Harish. That's all from my side.
Yeah.
That
Thank
was
you,
a
Vasant.
good session.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
Vasant.
Yeah. Thank you for your inputs. Thank you so much.
Thank you.